Hello everyone, I'm ProTinker. Today, I will show you a Luya fish control device that I designed and made. The fish controller is sturdy and reliable. Moderate size. Tight clamping. One-handed operation. Jaws can be open 4.5 centimeters. The jaws self-lock to prevent the fish from breaking free. Grip positioning card slot to prevent unloading. Distal grip position prevents fishhook from hanging hands. The consumables used in the fish control device are Petka the JO brand. The black version is printed with carbon fiber consumables. Next comes the assembly process. The assembly is quite simple. I won't introduce it too much. The fish control device is already on the shelves Maker World. Welcome to print production.